Hi, I'm Danny from DP Web Design, and it's time for another Site Health Checklist tip. Is your site free of any loading and speed issues? Now you can test this out by going to Google Page Insight. Simply type your website address into the form field and hit Analyze. From there, it's going to put out a lot of data that doesn't make sense, but it will give you a score out of 100. For a mobile and desktop view version of your website. Now don't be too alarmed if you get a low score. This isn't really a deal breaker when it comes to your website. This is just a tool that will help you speed up and fine-tune your website. Of course, a faster loading website is a much more pleasant experience for the user. So if you are reaching a low score for this, get your web designer to have a look at it and see what they can do to refine your website. Now Google would love you to have a blank piece of paper with a heading and title. That will get you a lovely score of 100 very easily. But unfortunately, creativity and design also comes into a website. How a site looks is as important as how it loads. So when you have a good website designer, they'll be able to incorporate both of these features. Fast loading pages with a creative, unique design. They'll be able to make sure that the website they've created is compressing the JavaScript and CSS all into one file delivery package. They'll also be able to make sure that your image sizes are the correct sizing for the page that's being loaded, and that they're using a good caching method so that the browser doesn't have to reload all the content on the page all the time. So there is a compromise between having a fast loading page and a creative, unique looking site. So don't worry too much if you're achieving an average score with this page. But if you're at that stage where you do want to tweak more, then this is a good place to start. If you have any questions with this, then call DP Web Design or get your developer to have a look at improving the page speed of your website. Thanks for listening. See you next time.